Hey, good morning from Old Wonderland Road. Me and Tuco here. Thought we'd take a look around after the first storm of the year last night. Boy, did we get it. It's October 29th, 9 o'clock in the morning. And this is what I woke up to. Well, I don't have to rake today. Let's have a look around. The sad news this morning is that our beautiful, beautiful magnolia, I don't know if she's going to make it. I think I heard this last night, actually. The only thing holding it up is the Christmas lights. Damn, I like that tree. Maple's doing okay. We heard a big thump last night. Ron said, "Oh, I hope the barbecue's okay." Yeah, barbecue's fine. Let's go have a look around the front here. See, Tuco? Yeah, you're a good boy. Okay, let's look around. Our neighbor really got it last night. Some of these trees are probably 100 years old in this part of the city. Oh, look at that. They call us the forest city, but after today I think we're a little less forested. Look at that. Look at that big branch snapped up there. Wow. Didn't think I'd see our neighbor out shoveling this early in the year. This is how deep the snow is. The birdhouse got it too. Well, anyway, that's all I had to show you. I just wanted to take a look at the damage and see how we made out. Wow, look at that. Oh man, that one's probably a goner too. Is it broken? Oh no. Oh well. That's the way it goes. First snow, October 28th. Can you believe it? Signing off from Old Wonderland Road. See you later.